This is the first time I've ever made a fried pepper omelet. I didn't expect it to be so delicious, fragrant, and full of flavor. I think it's even more satisfying than eating big fish and meat. First, prepare a few peppers. You can also use red peppers. They taste even better. Lightly crush the peppers and cut them into pieces so they absorb more flavor. After cutting, set them aside on a plate. Next, prepare a few eggs. I'm using lunchbox eggs, which taste very good. Let's process them first. Crack them, then peel off the shells. After peeling, wash them in clean water and set aside for later use. Now, prepare a few small ingredients. Chop a handful of garlic into fine mince and place it in a bowl. Then, slice a handful of shallots and put them in another bowl. Pour a little cooking oil into a pan. Add the chopped peppers, a spoonful of salt, and stir-fry on high heat. Press down as you stir-fry to help release the moisture from the peppers. I've already shared more than 200 home-cooked recipes. If you happen to see this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Once the peppers turn golden brown, take them out and place them on a plate for later use. Next, pour a little more oil into the pan. When it's hot, add the eggs one by one. 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, 4 eggs. Use a spatula to break them into small chunks. Let them fry until golden brown on the surface. Add the minced garlic, a spoonful of soy sauce, and stir-fry on low heat. Then, add the peppers. Season with a spoonful of light soy sauce, a bit of chicken essence, a pinch of sugar, and a little dark soy sauce. Stir-fry quickly to coat all the ingredients. Add the chopped green onions. Stir-fry on high heat, and then it's ready to serve. The fried pepper omelet made this way is spicy and flavorful. If you learn this recipe, you'll always have a great dish on the table, and everyone in the family will call you a chef. Save the recipe and try it at home.